Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo S60 key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool ready. These tools are essential for safely disassembling the fob without causing damage. Knowing the right tools makes the process much smoother and prevents frustration when you need to access the internal components. With your tools ready, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then gently pull the emergency key straight out. This step is crucial as it exposes the small slot where you will insert your prying tool. Take your time to ensure the key slides out smoothly. Now, insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool into the slot revealed by the emergency key. Gently twist the tool to create a small gap. Work your way carefully around the seam of the fob, applying light pressure. The two halves should gradually separate, allowing you to access the internal components. Once open, you will see the battery. Note its type, usually a CR2032 coin cell. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring correct polarity. Before reassembling, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.